the end results that we look for at Generation X might be different from the end results of Generation
For
Y.
example, money or
Money can be one thing, satisfaction, self-esteem. Um, it's you might see that generation, that the 80s and above generation, they don't really look at learning, expanding their knowledge, knowing or asking the question why in everything. Why this thing is working this way? Why it doesn't work that way? From my experience, Generation Y do not really look at the why question. I mean, I'm not generalizing here, but I can see that they are not really. They, you can see that some of them are frustrated with what is happening around them. So that will lead to being careless. Maybe because you are helpless, you feel careless. Could be. So I think they are different. I don't think they are the same because of different things.
I don't think so. It's not. But I do not know what those factors are in principle. But I would say that the factors could be very, very different. Okay, because if you look at your generation Y now, you are, I think the way that you communicate and the way that you think are totally different from the generation X. Even if you work, there are certain philosophy which can be very diverse between these two. Okay? So when you have diversion in terms of management philosophy, there will be later there will going to be a conflict between this generation and this generation. And I do not, you need to do some other research actually to find out what are the actual factors, but I would say they're not the same.
okay.
Mm.
Thank you
Right?
so
You
much.
are not asking me about the factors, right? What
No.
are they? You're just
opinion.
yes, opinion whether they are the same. I would say no. Perhaps the generation Y would go for the monetary. You know why? Because they are too accustomed, they do not, well, I would say that in some way they are very fortunate because they have the parents to do everything for them, right?
Yes.
But for Generation X, they are the one who actually built up or set up for the family, everything. But for the Generation Y, they just ask, isn't it? They just ask from Generation X, the parents. What one? So most parents actually give. I would say that also was fault on the Generation X.
We undertook a research and tried to find out what motivates people at work by asking them to tell us in their own words. We sought out to discover the common factors that motivate people and whether there is any difference between Gen X and Gen Y. From the results shown, we found out that having a good working atmosphere that suits one's capability or personality appears to be a strong motivator for Gen X. Sense of achievement also motivates people because it boosts people's self-esteem if not self-worth. Besides, positive working relationship also appears to be important, such as having trust and respect from colleagues and being supported by the people around you, where this indicates that social support is a significant motivator. Why financial reward is the most important source of motivation. We think that it is because young people nowadays are eager to stand on their own financially. They do not want to burden their parents so much anymore. With a sound financial position, they can go to pursue their own life dreams. Gen Y attach higher to the quality to their working relationship. A sense of achievement and being recognized appear to be strong motivation too. Seen in this competitive world with fresh graduates everywhere, it is good enough to secure a job in this day and age. A good atmosphere is preferred, but as long as it is not too bad, Gen Y does not mind to work at a less ideal place. In conclusion, our results suggest that there is a difference of motivators between Gen X and Gen Y. Gen X, they are more focused on working atmosphere than Gen Y, whereas Gen Y, they are more focused on financial rewards compared to Gen X. But the similarity in that both groups that But the similarity between these two groups is having a positive relationship with colleagues is a strong motivator. We can see that regardless of Gen X and Gen Y, having a good chemistry and relationship among colleagues and managers certainly goes a long way in motivating